we are back on Kickstarter with our 5th project, and we're offering you, our early supporters, the first chance to get this collection at an exclusive price. In this project, we are featuring our first highly requested women's collection. The men's contrast collection focuses on bold yet classic styles and colors. To take advantage of this limited time offer on Kickstarter, click the green button that says Back This Project. Make your pledge now and lock in your spot to get a Havoc timepiece. Our search for the perfect luxury watch began 4 years ago. We wanted something that was minimal, practical, and affordable. What we discovered was that manufacturers, wholesalers, and retailers all mark up the prices of luxury watches up to 1,000% on the way to a consumer. This shocked us, and we set out to create a new way to purchase luxury watches. We cut out all middlemen markups, delivering a quality timepiece directly from creator to consumer. The biggest blogs and websites loved our idea of disrupting the luxury watch industry, and so did our customers.
You have so many different chargers for your phones, iPhone and Android, tablet, and more Type-C devices coming up. But you can't throw away all of your old micro USB devices. How many types of cables do you need for all of your devices? Murphy's Law reminded us that you probably wouldn't have the right cable in time of emergency. The power source is there, but you just didn't bring your cable. Introducing Cable Card. Cable Card is a revolutionary design that integrates all the essential and most frequently used cables connectors. What's more, Cable Card is even designed with a wireless charger. We designed Cable Card to be as small and light as a credit card. Everyone has to dig around their bag looking for the right cables among other cables and objects lying around in the depth of the bag. But not you. Cable Card includes a SIM ejector pin and 2 nano SIM card storages. Looks simple, yet makes a big difference when traveling overseas. Need to send files, but no internet and no thumb drive for Type-C? No worries. Cable Card has an inbuilt memory reader that supports both standard USB and Type-C. It takes 1 second to set up Cable Card as a cradle. What makes it even more awesome is that you can watch movies on your phone hands-free while charging it at the same time. AOA reported that one major cause of vision deterioration is staring at phone screen in poor lighting, creating effective ambient lighting to protect your eyes. This is Cable Card, the all-in-one cable solution you have been looking for.
iRoller is a simple, portable, reusable touchscreen display cleaner that requires no liquids or cloths. iRoller's unique gripping surface quickly and easily removes fingerprints, smudges, dust, and debris from the screens of tablets, smartphones, and other electronic devices with digital displays. iRoller is easy to use. Simply roll open the outer shell and place the gripping surface down evenly on the surface of the device. With light downward pressure, roll back and forth over the surface of the screen as needed. The dust and smudges are lifted off the screen like magic, with no messy liquids or cleaning cloths. For smartphones and smaller devices, one roll is all it takes. Then simply close the outer shell and iRoller is ready to travel. iRoller is so compact and lightweight, it's perfect for people on the go. At school, at work, on vacation, even in the glove box of your car, iRoller goes everywhere you go. iRoller can be used over and over again. Simply rinse under tap water, then set iRoller upright to dry, or dab dry with a lint-free cloth.